Hey everyone, okay, this next trick is a really cool hack if you want to showcase some stats, a quote, a testimonial, an image of any kind. And what it is, if you scroll across at the bottom, so we're going to go to browsing effects, and then we're going to put in the search for green screen hand. Now there's a few to choose from, but I particularly like this one down here. So then you can try it. So basically, if you go to try it, I'm going to add the media. So this one is going to be my story challenge. But like I say, you can do a review, a customer review. You could do a picture of a product. You could do anything. Oh, you just saw. So literally, you could be talking to the camera and then literally put your hand up and that image then shows. So you could actually be, like I say, talking about something and you can have a visual by putting your hand up. How cool is that? Let me know if that helps, and I'll see you guys in a bit.